Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have an unboxing and like a little haul for you guys with some nail polish and a little bit of makeup. But yeah, this is the entire box that I got, and I did pay for these myself, so if you're curious to see what I got, please keep on watching. So I ordered at my local drugstore's online web shop, which is femketjeNL. I think they also have like a Belgian web shop as well, so if you are from Belgium you can actually check that out if you want to order some, but all brands are by Catrice, and I got a little bit of Essence as well. So first up, let's just scoop it out of the way a little bit. I did get the complete collection, or almost the complete collection, of the Happy Kawaii by Essence, and I won't go into all of these items too much because I actually want to make a first impressions full collection review video, just like one of those videos I used to do a while back from like complete limited editions, because this is a limited edition, so I'm going to do a separate videos on those. But I did wanted to show you these cute little nail polishes. These are the 5ml ones. So we have the color 01 You're My Favorite, we have got 03 Unicone, and we have got 02 Game of Cones, and these are just a really pretty and really adorable polishes, and these are just 5ml, so they aren't like really filled to the rim or anything. But I do feel like because they are a limited edition, I think it actually makes it even more cute because it is an ice cream cone, and just look at that little kawaii face. But these polishes were $1.59 each. I also got the toppers, which is some Fimo slices and some sprinkles as well. These were also $1.59. I've got some nail stickers, which were $1.89. I've got the 4-way file, which is also really cute. I think that one was $1.59 or something. And I got the eyeshadow palette as well, but I'm just going to swatch these in a later video, just separately from this haul. Then I also got this Essence gel nail polish, and this one I think it is a new one, and it is 111 Rainbow with Sprinkles. It really looks super pretty, and I actually got a new one by Catrice which looks really similar, but for some reason you can't really see the pink glow on camera. I don't know why that is. Maybe it is because I'm next to my open window and I do record with my lighting as well, or maybe you can see it a little bit right here, but it is mostly like a transparent topper kind of polish, and I might just swatch that one later on. Then I also got 6 of the remaining peel off polishes, so let me just check. I already got 2 of those in one of my PR packages, so let me just put them in here. This was number 3. I think I got them in order right now, so that are the 8 colors. So first up you've got the pink one, which I've already shown, and I'm just going to make a separate swatch and review video of these as well, but I do want to mention all the colors. So this one is Stress Does Not Go Well With My Polish. This one is 02 Nail More Worry Less. Then the third one is When in Doubt Just Add Glitter, which I've already shown you. 4 is Girls Bite Black. Number 5 is Too Glam to Stay at Home, which is totally true. Number 6, Dance All Night Sparkle All Day. Number 7, Polish, Sleep, Run, Repeat. This one is really beautiful though. And then the last one is number 8, Think Less, Polish More, which is a really fun multicolored blue one. But as I said, I'm just going to review these 8 in a different video and just see how they work, because these are supposed to peel off of your nails like it would be if you would use a peel-off base coat. So I'm just going to try this out in a later video. I do have to say I really like the shape of these bottles. They kind of remind me of like gems or something. But yeah, these were, let me check, €3.59 each, and I already got these two for free in a PR package, which was sent to me. Next to nail polishes, I also got a bottle of almost pure alcohol. This is the 96%, and I am going to use this for Sharpie nail art and stuff like that, and just nail art on gel polishes and all that jazz. So I actually already got the 70%, and I also got the pure acetone, but I've heard you can do a lot of cool stuff with almost like the pure alcohol as well. So this is not to drink. Don't drink alcohol with this high of a percentage. Don't drink alcohol at all if it's up to me. I'm not really a drinker myself. So don't drink this stuff. This is like really bad for you. And also make sure that when you use like pure acetone or pure alcohol or anything like that, you do this in a well ventilated room, because it isn't good for you to inhale like all of these damps and stuff like that. So just be careful when using this. If you are a minor, every country has like their own limit to where you are a minor. Here it is 18 if I'm correctly, but if you are a minor, just make sure that you have like your parents, like you're allowed by your parents to use this. And if you are really young, just make sure there is like a supervisor or a parent or anything if you use stuff like this, because this is like not good for you if you inhale it too much, or you just have to be careful while using it, because it is really flammable and just not good for your health just to use it too much or anything like that. That was just a little disclaimer of your little Aunt Femke. So just be careful when using stuff like this. But I also got this because it's really handy, and just I always store this in a dry and cool and dark cabinet, so don't leave this out in the sun either. And I think I got this for about €3 or something. It is a 120 milliliter bottle, so this will just last me forever. Then the last items I got are 9 nail polishes from the new autumn winter collection by Catrice. And I think I'm just going to close my curtains for a little so I can really show you the colors more accurately. Okay, I feel like this is a lot better to show you all the colors. It's just extremely hot here in the Netherlands, so I really wanted to have like my window open and stuff. But yeah, these are all the 9 colors I got. They don't even fit in the frame. But I just want to talk about them a little bit, and I will swatch these for you and just sped up that process afterwards. So I think there were 10 new shades in total, but I didn't get I think it was number 57 or something, which was a really reddish kind of polish. I didn't get that. I don't even know why. But I was like, it's a red, so I can always just get it once they are in my local drugstore, like the normal store. But these were the shades I really liked, which were 9 out of 10. So yeah, let's just quit the rambling and just show you the colors. I do have to say they do have that regular bottle that we're used to seeing by Catrice, but their bottle itself, like the print on the bottle, is different. Let me just grab one of their regular ones. They used to look like this with the C and the A by Catrice, and now they have like their regular logo, but with a cute little text on it. So I think that's a really fun way to just decorate the bottles a little bit more and make every polish really unique apart from the color that's within the bottle. But yeah, this is the first one. This is a really browny coppery shade, beautiful for fall. I really love colors like this. And this one is 58 good nails only. Really pretty. It's a little bit metallic-y if you ask me, but we'll just see that right after I've swatched these on one of my nail wheels. Then the next one, this one is beautiful, and the camera isn't even picking up how beautiful this is. This one has like a pink shimmer and holographic glitter. It is a really light, transparent kind of color. and it is in the color 59. Keep Me, I'm Cute, and I'm definitely going to keep this polish because it is beautiful. It is so much more beautiful in real life than it shows up on camera. So if you do have like the chance to look at this one in store, I would highly recommend just checking it out because it is a beautiful shade. Then the next one says Gorgeous on the top or on the front, and this is like a pearly, beautiful light pink, and it is called 60 Let Me Be Your Favorite. I really like the names Catrice always comes up with. They are so original and unique and just really creative. Then the next one is this beautiful blue. This kind of has like a shimmer in it. It is a little bit more dark, a little bit more royal blue in real life than it shows up on camera. But this one is called 61 Me, Myself and My Polish. This name is like made for me or something. Then the next one is the one that looks a little bit like this one, which I just showed you. This is the 111 Rainbow with Sprinkles by Essence. It is a little bit less pink than the one by Catrice, so they are a little bit different, but I'll just swatch them next to each other so you can see in on the nail wheel later on. But just look at that. That is such a beautiful shade. But it is in the color 62 I Love Being Yours. Really beautiful shade. Lasts up to 7 days. I think most of them claim to do so, but yeah, it's a really beautiful one. I think this will look beautiful on top of a white or a pink. It might even look really pretty just on its own, but I think it is a little bit sheer. So I would suggest just using it as a top coat. Then the next one, let's shake it up a little bit. This one has a beautiful glow, which is kind of hard to capture on camera, but it is a mauvey kind of shade with a purpley bluish shimmery sheen to it. Here you can really see it, like there it is, beautiful. And this one is called Early Mornings Big Shirt Perfect Nails. Actually every Sunday morning to me personally. Then the next one, this is just a regular cream. There is no shimmer or glitter or anything. And this one is 64 Sassy Polish with Good Habits. Then we're almost done. I just had to have this one. You can actually see if I'm out of focus that it is super holographic. It has a ton of just beautiful holographic glitter and also some chunky golden glitter in the mix as well. This one is called Less Bitter, More Glitter, which is actually, this could be one of my slogans. And then the last one I got is a metallic-y, like violet kind of shade, really beautiful, with some silver sparks in it. It's 66 and now it is polish time. I really love how these colors look. They really look stunning to me. I think my favorites will be this one, and that one, although the blue is really beautiful as well. And I'm just going to check and see how far these are relatable, because the Essence one is a little bit more cheap. I just brain farted right here because these are 169 by Essence and all of the regular Catrice nail polishes are 299. So it is a little bit like more than €1 that this one is less expensive. But yeah, let me just swatch them for you real quick. I'll just going to speed this up like twice, I guess, just to make this video not super long. And I will be right back.
Put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em up. She put the lime in the
so I just swatched all of the colors, and this is the Catrice one and this is the Essence one. And as you can see, they actually are really similar. As I expected, the Catrice one is a little bit more pink than the Essence one, but they really are similar. So I would suggest, if you wanna keep a little bit more of that money of yours in your pocket, just go for the Essence one. But if you really want that beautiful, gorgeous, pinky golden shine, I would go for the Catrice one. It is just a little over €1 more expensive, but it really is beautiful. And these are all the other colors. So that is what they look like. And I'm just going to swatch and review the peel off polishes by Catrice. So these, I will just swatch and review them in a separate video, because I really want to know how they work and if they actually do peel off really nicely. And I'm going to make a separate video of this beautiful, like, cute, happy, kawaii collection by Essence as well. So if you're curious to see about that, do check out my channel, because I will be uploading a little bit more frequently. I will be uploading 3 videos a week instead of 2 this summer. So yeah, if you're curious about that, do keep an eye out for my channel. And on this nail, there's actually a nail art I made for this, and this is all made with gel polishes. So if you're curious about that, do check out my channel as well, because this will be online really soon. But yeah, that was actually all I got. I really hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments or anything, do let me know in the comments down below and I will reply to you directly. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.